Create your own digital business profile. We provide complete business branding with video shoots and promotions on YouTube and on other social channels. We work only for B2B product manufacturers. Register your business categories and business names with TALKY BITES. Our services is animation video, video graphic slideshows, business showreels, digital media, strategy for product video promotions, video illustrations, voiceovering. We educate how to create genuine business leads through other business portals. We offer dynamic and static websites. We provide sales agents and distributors for B2B product industries. Important notice: my social channels does not provide any financial advice. Even my social channels strictly advise viewers to never pay any fee charges to any freelancing sites, companies, individual to get any product or services without their satisfaction and verifications. TALKY Bites, the information available on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook channel is for education and for information purpose only. So dear friends, don't forget to subscribe TALKY Bites and create your own business story with us.